Prime Minister Sharif, what keeping you awake in the evening to be sure that your people will be happy and will be sure that you are going in the right direction?
Thank you very much. Prosperity, peace and progress of my people keeps me awake. We have challenges, as I explained to you earlier. We have already achieved macro level stability, but that's not enough. We are a country of 240 million people and challenges of sorts, as I said. But as they say, that you must never lose hope. I want to give you an example, which is an example which I witnessed myself when I was a young man or a boy. In 1972, 2nd January 1972, my late father owned largest steel engineering company in Pakistan. It was nationalized. My father, there were 7 brothers. Next day, there was nothing in their hands to be busy about. And I was, and my elder brother, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, we were college-going students. And next morning, my late father said to me, well, that's the will of the God. We have to stand up and start again. And we said that everything is nationalized. How would you be able to start again? He said, as long you have hope, as long you don't give up, and you're committed to work hard, untiring efforts, then God Almighty provides you those resources which you even couldn't have imagined. I want to conclude that everything was lost. Fast forward, in 18 months, my father raised 6 factories in the same city of Pakistan. Now what is this? Wherever there's a will, there's a way to do. If you have the will, you can transform everything. Thank you very much.